My name is Elon Alonso, and I am the founder of Sunbeam Career Development. I created this organization because I wanted to be part of the creation of an identity for youth where we create our own futures, a future that is inclusive and diverse and meets our needs. We thought that, especially with the onset of the COVID pandemic, we need a world where support systems are created for our career paths, and it is done through the provision of development opportunities for every youth to become self-managers of their own paths. But to do this, we need to recognize who we are. We are 26% of the population in Guyana and regarded as the productive age range. We hold the shoulders of the country's future and still have the responsibility of creating prosperous outcomes now. Yet, 35.6% of us are not actively engaging in our economic and social advancement as we are not in education, training, or employment. Why? It's not because we don't have the eager need to actualize, but because we lack access. Access to learning and development opportunities that fit our situations of vulnerability, vulnerability to poverty, exclusion from employment, and training of our women as we become mothers, and the limitation along with the limitation of our geographical spaces to reach the most demanded goods and services. We need our services to be aligned to our specific needs and to fit the demands of today for us to become adaptive. We need opportunities to supplement education to meet the demands of the 21st century work and develop the transversal skills necessary, the ability to motivate, to innovate. We looked at the problem and worked backwards to create a fully inclusive platform for youth to be empowered, a learning and development platform that bridges the gap between education and employment to align them to tailored programs, offer affordable prices, and access from anywhere and anytime to our e-products. Products and services that fit the needs of the millennial and Gen Z market are to be on demand, results and purpose driven, innovative, and adaptive. We were able to utilize research to launch this business that garnered information from the mouths of the youth and utilize shared experience to launch this organization, and that shared experiences that filters to the services we provide. What we provide is a platform and a community for youth by youth. The system that we created provides ease of access for youth. This is done via our website, iamsunbeam.org. Access to our program is established by signing up, by creating a login that gives membership, creating a login that provides sign up via logging in, that provides access to all our wonderful resources. We have created a course called Career Jumpstart that is launched on our platform. With your access, you're able to see videos, gain assessments, and also to get into communication with the coordinators of the course. You get an on-demand opportunity to learning and development. To generate an amazing experience of learning and development, skills creation, and skills strengthening for our youths, we're operated via membership on a paid platform. This offers access to a community of like-minded youths who are on their path to successful career creation. We have integrated the model of For Youth by Youth, where we partner with high-performing youth to create content. What we do is that we want to not only be an investment, not only be a source of youth for skills training, but also one of economic development. And as such, we have created a passive income base for our partners to gain money as we sell our courses. Our courses and services will be available at various costs. We will build courses to match the needs of the youth, offering a mixed measure of learning to satisfy the practical and theoretical needs in it for education and training. Not only are we focusing on our e-courses, but our business model will expand to provide coaching, resume and job preparation, and other services. We have created a business model that is dynamic, inclusive, and continuously growing. As a startup, it is our intention to do beta testing to ensure that not only do we have the right content, but we have the right aesthetic and platform for our target market. We will do this in the pre-launch stage to ensure that we get the right product to fit our right customer. After such, we look forward to launching via social media events. Post of this, we will be in full force of operation with the use of social media and also career fairs, social media marketing, school programs, and also our corporate social responsibility activities that we will plan yearly. Also foremost to us is the creation of an app which will host all our activities and programs. We are aware that no challenge comes out without the offenses, and we identify our key competitors as well as new entrants in the organization in the market. However, Sunbeam stands out because we offer a mixed learning platform. We have no cap on our participants with our website offering that allows us to scale our products. Our programs are tailored specifically for youth, which means that we tap into niche marketing to specifically fit our target. Our courses are accessible from anywhere and at any time, run through our website. Our package prices are affordable, being much lower than our competitor, the new entrant, but also providing an opportunity for you to access courses at any particular time, no matter a schedule. What we do also is that we are built upon giving back every year and having social responsibility courses, social responsibility activities. With that, we stand as a formidable match to our competitors who often have unstructured program schedules and also high prices. We establish ourselves as being an affordable organization, an affordable platform that is dynamic, offering to the specific timeline, lifestyle, and needs of youth. We couldn't have done this without a strong human resource team to drive the development of the organization. Our founder, Elon Alonso, is certified as a project manager, is a scholarship awardee intern, and has extensive experience in youth development and community development. She is the eyes and ears of the youth and has formulated a research that was executed in 2019 to find out the impact of career planning on employability and the mitigation of youth unemployment. Our next arm is a website and software manager who runs the ship of our product development and quality management of our organization. Through the time, starting with the ground of research and fact-finding, was our base for establishment. From that, we endeavored service in the creation of a camp that provided first-time training to 91% of the youth, of the 75 youths engaged. 41% were unemployed and impacted with new skills that they can take with them throughout their journey. Seeing the needs of the youth arrived us to creating a sustainable product where we are now, which engages a e-product that we built, Sunbeam Career Jumpstart. In our future, we see ourselves as marketing this Sunbeam Career Jumpstart program. We want to extend our services to the development of 2 courses and impact 300 units of learning and development in the incoming year. We will do this through the development of an app. These are the key points that we need you, the investor, to come on board with us to help us to make the dream of creating opportunities for young people and creating self-managers out of them to charter their own paths and to our country's economic and social development. We base ourselves as being a scalable organization, having economies of scale with our online platform and having very low cost of goods inputs, which arrives our products at 66.9%. It is our intention that we will grow on a 10% rate, which is a modest expectation over the next 3 years. We also have set the systems in place for accountability and for strong operation through our seamless website invoicing and expense tracking. It is our ambition that we would have you come on board with us to build a sustainable organization with the help, with the investment of $449,000. This will take us to our next step, which is marketing Jumpstart, developing 2 courses, impacting 300 units of developing an app, and creating strong and resilient career opportunities for young people. Thank you very much.